what can possibly go wrong in here?
Everything.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
It's mostly because your husband doesn't know how to drive a four-wheel drive, but hey.
We are not in a four-wheel drive.
I know how to build them. We are in a four-wheel drive. What do you think that is?
Are we?
Take a
You
look
just
at it.
push the magic button, and then we go.
And then four wheels to drive.
That's the ocean of the deep.
Oh, look at that view. We don't hardly ever come up here.
Oh,
I did my bike a long time ago.
our beautiful Pacific Ocean. Is it Pacific?
Yep,
No?
it is definitely the Pacific. Yes.
Is it the Pacific?
You're on the right coast, yes.
Okay, thank you. Because I thought it was the Gulf of Mexico. Oh no, there is no Gulf of Mexico. Oh yeah, we're in Mexico, so it's the Gulf of Mexico.
No, it's actually wrong side.
No, it's the Pacific.
It's the Pacific, not the Atlantic.
Wow, it's been raining so much. Look at how lush the desert is.
Oh, we can probably find some ciruelas up here.